jalapeno hamburgers, jalapeno casserole, jalapeno salad, jalapeno tacos, jalapeno poppers, bacon jalapeno poppers. That's about it.
In case you haven't figured it out, this is another installment in the jalapeno peppers. We'll be doing two different styles, sliced and whole jalapenos. I've had good years and I've had bad years growing, and I would put this one in the catalog of good years. These are Biker Billy jalapenos. I'll put a link down below where you can purchase it, and they are fantastic large style jalapenos. Even if you aren't growing the jalapenos in your garden, you can still go to the store and pick those up. You get to pick through which ones you like. Just make sure you get the freshest and the most solid jalapenos in the lot. Go ahead and get those jalapenos sliced up.
You know that jalapenos have more vitamin C than oranges?
No, I didn't know.
They also have vitamin A and K.
Who would have thought?
You know that that's good for you?
Nope. Sitting here watching the difference between men and women. Mine are all precise and yours are all thick
And done?
yeah. Yeah, but see, that's a huge bite for me as a jalapeno. Like, for me to get in my mouth, that would be overwhelming in my mouth.
That's done.
That would be overwhelming in my mouth. Did you get one? It's just funny. Do you like your stuff chopped really? So what do you...
And now we'll make the brine.
I use equal parts white vinegar to water, salt, sugar, and you can avoid the sugar if you're wanting to do some form of keto jalapeno pickles. And now while that's being heated, we'll go ahead and stir it, get that all dissolved together, and you'll notice in the background there, that's the hot water bath going ahead and setting to boil. We'll also be doing a hot water bath can. Very simple, low tech, no reason to fear trying this yourself. There's plenty of creativity in this recipe, room to do what you want with it. My family likes garlic and onions. There will be Amazon purchase links down below in the description where you can get the gear that we use in this video. We'll go ahead and get the jars loaded up. If you look at some of the other recipes out there, people like to throw carrots in as well. For this style, the jalapenos remain firm, especially that skin keeps a little bit of crispiness left to it. Some people wonder whether or not jalapenos are hot when they're pickled in this manner. That's up to you. If you were to rinse these peppers off, it does take some of the heat out, some of the seeds wash away. They'll be a little bit more mild. So now we're also going to do whole jalapenos, and sometime in the future we'll do a jalapeno popper video based on these canned jalapenos. Don't be afraid to pack them in tight. Press those little buggers right into the jar. Go ahead and pour that warm pickle that you already prepared into each jar. You may want to transfer it over to a large measuring cup with a pour spout. It makes it a little bit easier, a little less messy. Next, we kind of pack them in tighter and use this little tool to get the bubbles out, and hopefully you get more pickle into the jar. I don't get real uptight about how much goes into each jar. I'll get a little bit of space left there at the end as everything shrinks down. Doesn't bother me a bit. I have plenty of jars. As we've mentioned in other videos in this series, jalapenos are healthy. They're high in many types of vitamins like A, K, potassium. Making sure to clean each lid off before we get our boiling lids onto each jar. That same bubble removing tool has a magnet on the other end that you can reach into that hot water and pull out your lids. So this how to make jalapeno video into the hot water bath for 15 minutes they go. So we've got some pretty cool pickling tools. I'll go ahead and put a link down below if you're interested in purchasing any of the tools we use in this video. Doesn't cost you any more to purchase through the links, and it does help the channel out. Don't be alarmed when they come out a different color, a little more cooked looking. That's actually what you want. They do a little bit of cooking inside the jar. Just look how beautiful those whole jalapenos came out. It's a great addition for December time when you have those jalapenos come out and you get the taste of the jalapeno popper in this previous summer. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a jalapeno cooking playlist. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.